How was your walk up? Pretty good?
Your monkey belt on. Yes? What? What's in your belt? Now we came down here with you.
Almost heaven, West Makaha, High Ridge Mountain, crystal clear blue water. All my friends there, hanging down the beach, young and old among them. Feel the ocean breeze, country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Makaha, Mount Kala, oh take me home, oh country road.
I don't know, they always overestimate those times when they're going through. You got this? Oh man, he made it look easy.
Oh country road, I heard a voice in the morning, it calls me as though to remind me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I feel spirits coming to me from yesterday, yesterday. All my memories hold heaven on high. Brown skin woman, clear blue island sky, daytime sunshine, oh so bright, midnight moon a glowing, stars up in the sky. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Makaha, Mount Kala, take me home, country road. I hear a voice in the morning, constant calling, as though to remind me of my home far away. We driving down the road, I feel the spirits coming to me of yesterday, yesterday. Almost heaven, West Makaha, High Ridge Mountain, crystal clear blue waters. All my beach in Hawaii. Hey, I wish you were here with me, walking on the beach in Hawaii, playing on the golden sand, looking at the ocean. Now I understand.
I'm like, that's cool. They're going to that. Thanks.
Okay. Everybody
walking on the beach in Hawaii, playing on the golden sand, looking at the ocean. Now I understand. Love is like the open sea, and I wish you were here with me. On the beach in Hawaii, since you've been gone away, I think about you every day. Don't you know I miss you much, and you know I need your touch.
walk right into a rock.
I'm on a rocky cliff. Oh, I wish you were here with me.
Must be something else.
Together real feeling. Yogi gonna let you know that I wish you were here with me. On the beach in Hawaii.
Walk out here.
Everybody's got a place they go when the old battery gets running low. I'm a sucker for the sand and sea. If I had my way, hey, I'd always be way up high in a coconut tree, laying low with just my baby and me. Sunny skies far as I can see, high up in a coconut tree.
Dude,
too green, not too brown. I shimmy up and shake the good ones down. Coconuts, a couple of bucks a piece, and you can do alright if you ain't afraid to be
high in a coconut tree, laying low, just my baby and me.
Sunny skies far as I can see, high in a coconut tree.
Yeah, there's less stress and the world's alright. It's a different point of view when you're looking at life way up high in a coconut tree.
Way low,
Low, just my baby and me.
sunny skies far as I can see,
High up in a coconut, high in a coconut tree, laying low, just my baby and me. Sunny skies far as I can see,
high in a coconut
That's up there. I don't know if there's a lookout or
high
something.
in a coconut tree, laying low, just my baby and me. Sunny skies far as I can see,
high in a coconut tree.
sunny skies far as I can see, high up in a coconut tree. Sunny skies far as I can see, high up in a coconut tree. Up here with Willie,
Sunny skies far as I can see.
let's get high.
Ano valeno na cowboy Toka eha no kiki pukaili Iuka mako o ke kuahiwi O hai hai I pipi Iuka o ke kei Havana
Look up.